Hey, this is Chris with Reliable Home Improvement out here in Fair Oaks, California. I'm going to get up on a roof and do a gutter inspection to see how clogged they are. Homeowner has some complaints about the water just flowing over the gutters constantly, and they're really tired of having to get up and clean it several times a year. So let's take a look at the condition of the gutters and we'll come up with a good solution. Now, unless you get on a roof regularly like I am, walking on a roof can be quite disorienting. Different angles that come together and conditions like today is windy up here. Now, here's the gutter on one side of the house. There's redwood needles, there's oak tree leaves. Here's another part of the house right here. This clearly hasn't been cleaned out in a long time. In fact, it's got some green stuff growing in it. It's a nice planter box. Now, for good reason, it hasn't been cleaned. Look how high that is off of those bricks. Who wants to fall off a ladder from 14 or 15 feet in the air? In the back of the house, the downspouts were severely plugged up and trapping all the water in there, where the water was literally just spilling out over the gutter. Now, this can cause problems with the gutter pulling away and dry rot, etc. We don't want water gathering. Also, this is a place for mosquito eggs. And who wants to get bit by mosquitoes on your back deck? The solution here is to install our Leaf Blaster Pro product. The guys will tighten up all the loose bolts that are holding up the gutters, straighten everything out, reseal up spots where on corners so that the gutters have gotten a good tune-up. Now, if the thought of climbing up a ladder is a little daunting, people do fall off ladders all the time. Now, we do this for a living. The other part is getting down off the ladder. That's just as much of a problem. Now, the Leaf Blaster Pro is a stainless steel micro mesh gutter guard. It installs over your gutter or your brand new gutter. It has a patented V-bend technology in the mesh. Now, the openings are small enough to trap even the granules from the shingles. Those are those black little granules you can see right there. And the Z-bend technology provides rigidity, adding strength to the gutter guard. And after several hours of installation, the Leaf Blaster Pro has been installed on top of the gutters. A lot less than buying those expensive gutters you see advertised on TV. So from all of us at Reliable, have a reliable day.